What is the details regarding this escape on the trial?
So on today in the morning, early morning, we received information that one accused person had escaped from custody at Asilo Hospital. So immediately we formed teams which included staff of Crime Branch and ATS, and we put them on the job of exploring all the possible leads. By today afternoon, due to very good work by the staff of Crime Branch and ATS, we were able to get some very strong human intelligence, and we got some technical inputs as well. So all the teams today evening converged in Morjim, where at one homestay we found the prime accused Vivek Gautam and his wife, one Pooja. They were hiding over there, and upon search of their room we were able to recover the firearm, and we also found out that one of the accomplices, Ankit Gupta, was trying to escape from Patra Devi. The crime branch immediately alerted the staff at Patra Devi, and the staff at Patra Devi also did very good work, and they immediately apprehended one accomplice whose name is Ankit Gupta. So now we are in the process of further investigation. We are ascertaining the roles of each of the accused, and we will see what role they have played. But so far we have apprehended the main accused who had escaped this morning.